Do you want to help preserve the Irish language? So here's one way of preserving the Irish language that I try to do. The Irish language has a wealth of place names. Your father, your mother, even in English, they might have these place names that are in the Irish language. It's a wild pity to let these things go. And so one thing I kind of do is record place names. In the Gaeltacht, for example, this here's place names I've got from a farmer. You can go on to a website called mihilloginnim.ie. I've collected hundreds from my own father, my own people, and the place names are brilliant. One of the most interesting ones I collected was Craig na Davshi. It's in a place called Minasilla in Glencomkill, and Craig na Davshi means basically the cliff of the Ghosts, or the hill of the Ghosts. So it's a lovely name. So this is the website here now, and I've zoomed into Southwest Donegal, so you can see lots of place names there. I got in Killybegs, Brooklis area, Southwest Donegal and Glencomkill. Some of these are from different sources, a lot of them from farmers, and some of these people have died sadly and passed away since, so it's nice to have this information. So I'll just pick out a random place name here. So I've zoomed in here now to place names that I've collected here. So this one here, for example, is Sumra Moor. These Sumri would be checked for lost sheep. Sumra is a kind of a thing as a whole that would kind of suck you in, you know, a dangerous place. And here the one beside it is in Sumra Big. So the Sumra Shaw, you would check them for lost sheep. So just nice place names with a wealth of richness of Irish. And what you can do now is go on mihilloginnim.ie and you can register an account there and just ask your elders about any place names, and it's common at the Shimberlin and Gaelic. It doesn't matter if it's in Irish or in English. You can put them up, and so it's knowledge that won't be lost, hopefully, anyway, if the website is kept going.